Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to set One UI 8.5 super wallpapers on your Galaxy device. Guys, actually this is request video for my followers and subscribers. Guys, many people asked me from my short video how to apply One UI 8.5 super wallpapers on Galaxy devices, and they don't know how to set and download super wallpapers after One UI 8.5 update on Galaxy devices. So this is request video, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to download and set super wallpapers on your Galaxy devices. So let's begin. Okay guys, let me show you one by one all wallpapers. First, tap and hold and go to wallpaper and style. Simply tap on change wallpaper. Remember, turn on internet and scroll and look at these. After One UI 8.5 update, graphical wallpapers. Simply go to graphical wallpapers and simply download one by one all wallpapers. Look at these all wallpapers download. Now let me show you how to set. Simply tap and tap on next, and look at these. Simply tap on done, and guys, super wallpaper apply on your Galaxy device. This is really cool, right? Now let me show you another wallpaper. Look at this. So guys, you also apply this new One UI 8.5 super wallpapers on your Galaxy devices after One UI 8.5 update. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.